Well, what time is it? It is time for a one week review of the M96. I am having a hard time deciding what a part of this engine I like the best. It's just been so slick. I've had it out to run 2 times. It's run so well. It started so easy right out of the box, and it's just been a little charmer. The first time I ran it, I had the stock needle, and you'll notice that I did get an extension put on it for finer adjustment. This is the setting for the carb that I had on the second run that ran for well over an hour, and we'll just see how far that is. So pushing it closed from here, look at that, less than a quarter turn is where it was running. That is barely over an eighth of a turn. That's why on all these engines I have, I put this long arm on here so that I can get that fine adjustment on the needle. So I haven't even started thinking about taking this apart. Like I said, it's just been such a lovely little charming engine, and it ran so well when I got it, but it's got an hour on it and an hour and a half, 2 hours of runtime on it, and you know, we can't just leave it. I'll have to poke around and see what's in there, because I love investigating the assembly of these as much as I love running them. But if you were looking for a slick little engine, something cute and interesting, these are just so unique compared to the other engines that are available. And it's been really a pleasure to have this provided by EngineDIY, and it's worked really well. The starter, I don't know what I'll do about that. I did have a few issues with that, but you know, I grabbed the tire starter from my R18, and also as soon as I got it warmed up a bit, it's very easy to just flip it over with the palm of your hand like that. And of course, I ran it out of fuel, so it's not going to pop from flipping it right now, but yeah, I think this is very quickly going to be my favorite engine. You know, there's a lot of other engines I have that I've gotten over the past couple years that have some charm, but there's just so much unique about this, and it's such a slick little engine and ran so well right out of the box. It's hard not to love it.